There are so many reasons why someone might choose to make salad dressing at home. Whether you're looking to save some money because prices are going up, or you're looking to control exactly what ingredient goes into your dressing. Maybe you're health conscious and you want to use specific products. Whatever that reason may be, I'm going to show you 3 wonderful salad dressings you can make at home for any salad. Let's get our jars ready, and we're going to start with our first salad dressing, a honey lemon dressing. It is simple with a combination of really great quality honey, lemon juice, a little bit of rice vinegar, and a little bit of olive oil. You're gonna mix all of those together in the jar, and that is your first dressing. As you noticed, I didn't do any measurements because you gotta eye it out to the flavor that you like on your palate. Up next, we're gonna do spicy balsamic. So a really great balsamic vinegar, a bunch of extra virgin olive oil, and as much or as little sriracha as you want. We're gonna cut that heat a little bit with a tablespoon of honey, and again, we are just gonna give that a mix and it is ready to go. And last but not least, our third dressing is going to be a creamy Italian. Equal parts, I am using Greek yogurt and sour cream, lemon juice, a little bit of water to cut it, and 1 clove of fresh garlic. I don't like using utensils clearly, or I forgot. And I just wiped it on there. A little bit of salt and pepper to season this one, and a few little spoons of Italian seasoning. Give it a shake. Here we go. That's it. Super quick, simple, and many ingredients that are very accessible and easy to get. I like making these in mason jars because you make it in the jar, you close the jar, you shake it up, and you put it in the fridge. And these are probably good for about a week in the fridge, but because they're so easy to make, I mean, I usually make 1 jar and it lasts for probably 1 giant family style salad, or 2 or 3 salads for the week. When it comes to the 3 different flavors we did today, the creamy one is great on any kind of Cobb salad, or I mean really any garden salad. The lemon one I really like with fish or like a lighter seafood salad, but again, it goes on anything, trust me. And the balsamic with that sriracha and that heat, such a wonderful kind of hearty salad. I use it with chicken a lot, but again, like I said, use them on anything you want. If one is too sweet for you, add a little bit more vinegar. If the sriracha is too hot for you, just add a little tiny squirt. These are so customizable to whatever you want. Thank you so much for joining me on The Silly Kitchen. I hope that you try some of these salad dressings at home. And if you're looking for more salad dressing inspiration, I do have lots more. I will link some other recipes and videos that I've done in the past in the description below. Thank you again. Till next time.